Before we begin, I want you to pause for a moment and think about this truth. Every single financial decision you make from today forward will shape how the next 10 years of your life feel. Debt is not just numbers on a screen. Debt quietly steals sleep, confidence, opportunities, and the freedom to make choices. And this is exactly why financial literacy matters. When you subscribe to this channel, you are joining a community that is learning how money works, breaking financial chains, and taking back control of life. Today we are going deep into something that every person with debt struggles with. Which plan should I follow? The snowball? The avalanche? Or the hybrid method that combines both? You might feel confused, you might feel stuck, or you might even feel like none of these methods will actually work for your financial situation. But in the next few minutes, something will click for you. Because the correct method is not just about math. It is about psychology, emotion, and the type of life you want to build. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which method can free you the fastest. Let's be honest. Debt has a way of making you feel like you are running in circles. You make a payment today, and somehow the balance appears the same next month. You want to save, but you feel guilty. You want to invest, but you feel scared. You want to dream, but your dreams feel paused. Most people stay in debt not because they are irresponsible, but because they never learned the right strategy, and they never had anyone explain how these methods actually work emotionally, not just mathematically. That changes today. The snowball method is simple. You list your debts from smallest to largest. You pay minimum payments on all debts. You throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt first. Once that one is gone, you move to the next. Mathematically, it is not the fastest, but emotionally, it is incredibly powerful. Here's why. When you clear a small debt, even a tiny one, something happens in your brain. You feel progress. You feel in control. You feel momentum. Debt finally starts to feel winnable. People who feel hopeless with debt often succeed with the snowball method because it builds psychological strength. Small wins are not small at all. They're the fuel you need to stay consistent. If you struggle with discipline or feel overwhelmed and need quick emotional wins, then the snowball method might be the best plan for you. But don't decide yet. The avalanche method is the mathematically fastest way to get out of debt. Here's how it works. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay minimums on everything. Put all extra money toward the debt with the highest interest rate. After that one is gone, move to the next highest. This method saves the most money over time because you attack the most expensive debt first. However, why do most people fail when they try the avalanche method? Because emotionally, it does not feel rewarding in the beginning. Imagine paying down a massive loan with a huge interest rate. Even when you pay extra, the balance barely moves. You feel like you are fighting a giant and losing. This is why disciplined people often prefer the avalanche method. They can handle slow results. So avalanche is perfect if you already have discipline, want to save the most money, and can stay consistent without early rewards. But there is a third method almost no one talks about. The hybrid method combines psychology and math. You start with a snowball for 1 to 3 debts so you build momentum. Then, once your confidence grows, you switch to the avalanche to save money and finish faster. This method works because it respects your emotions and your wallet. Imagine this, you clear 2 small debts in the first few months. You feel powerful. Your stress drops. Your motivation grows. Now you take that new confidence and attack the high-interest debt with the avalanche method. This hybrid strategy is the method most financial coaches secretly use with clients because it works for real human beings, not robots. If you feel stuck between snowball and avalanche and you want emotional momentum and mathematical efficiency, then the hybrid method is probably your best plan. So here's a simple test. Pick the method that matches your personality right now. If you need hope and quick results, choose snowball. If you are patient, disciplined, and want to save the most money, choose avalanche. If you want both momentum in the beginning and long-term efficiency, choose hybrid. The real truth is there is no best method for everyone. There is only the best method for your psychology, your habits, and your current lifestyle. When you choose the method that fits you emotionally, consistency becomes natural. Here is something most people never think about. Debt plans are not really about debt. They are about your confidence, your discipline, and your relationship with money. When you pick the method that aligns with your emotions and habits, your brain finally supports you instead of fighting you. That is why wealthy people become wealthier. They use systems that match their psychology. And that is exactly what you are learning today. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something important. You deserve financial peace. You deserve a life where money is a tool, not a threat. But that life will only come when you take the first step. So right now, pick a method: snowball, avalanche, or hybrid, and start today. Not tomorrow. Today. If this video helped you, then make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Every video on this channel is designed to guide you toward financial freedom. This is your journey, and this is your year to rise.